have been using my Singer 8280 for 2 years now, and today I am sharing my honest experience. What I like, what I don't like, how it has held up, what I have sewn with it, and most importantly, would I buy it again. When I bought this machine, I was looking for something simple and easy to use, mainly for garment sewing and everyday sewing projects. I checked the available stitches, basic settings, size and price, and the Singer 8280 seemed to suit what I needed at that time. So what do I like about it? First, I really like how simple it is. The controls are straightforward, and once you understand the machine, it's very easy to use. For everyday garment sewing, it has worked really well for me. I also like having simple manual controls for things like stitch selection, stitch length, and thread tension. I can adjust them depending on what I'm sewing. And for a beginner, I think this simplicity is definitely an advantage. Over these 2 years, I have used this machine quite regularly. I have made dresses, kurtis, different small sewing projects, upcycling projects, and plenty of samples for my sewing tutorials. I have also worked with different types of fabric, from lightweight fabrics to denim and thicker layers. So this review is based on actually using the machine, not just looking at its specifications. But of course, no machine is perfect. One limitation I have noticed is heavy duty sewing. I can sew denim and some thicker layers with the right needle and settings, but I wouldn't choose this machine if my main purpose was regularly sewing very thick materials or multiple heavy layers. And because this is a basic mechanical machine, if you are looking for lots of advanced features and automation, you may want to consider a more advanced model. Even after 2 years of regular use, I am really happy with how well my Singer 8280 has held up, and I believe regular maintenance has played a big part in that. I already have a dedicated video on cleaning and maintaining the Singer 8280, so definitely check that out if you want to learn how to take care of your machine and improve its durability. Have I had problems during these 2 years? Yes, of course I have had the usual sewing machine problems from time to time, things like thread tangling, tension issues or needle issues. They are completely normal, and if you are facing such issues, I have also made a video covering the common causes and how to fix them. And the final question, would I buy the Singer 8280 again? Of course yes, for the type of sewing I do. It's simple, practical, and has been so good for my everyday garment sewing. But if you are looking for heavy duty sewing or lots of advanced features, I would recommend looking at other machines. And that's my 2-year experience with Singer 8280. If you are using the same machine, let me know your experience in the comments.